This big hunk of rock here is a big piece of granite. More specifically, it's a curling stone. That's right, in curling, they just go ahead and take pieces of granite, carve them into the shape of the stone, and then use those as the curling rocks that glide down the ice. But there's something special about this granite. This granite comes from one tiny little bird-filled island off the coast of Scotland. Ailsa Craig is the island off the coast of Scotland, which is where pretty much every single curling stone comes from originally. See, the granite on the island is harvested by one company only, because the island is a bird sanctuary, and then turned and carved into curling stones. But it's not just one type of granite. See, there are different types of granite from Ailsa Craig, and the primary types of granite have different properties that make them better at different things. So it's actually better to make the curling stones out of multiple different pieces of granite. For the Olympics, for example, they use green and blue granite from Ailsa Craig. The green granite is used to make up the majority of the stone body, while the blue granite is specifically used on what's called the running edge. That is the piece of the stone that is designed to touch the ice surface, and that's the part that's going to curl. So that's really, really interesting. And it's just the weird fact that that specific type of granite is very good at sustaining itself in the sort of hard-hitting curling environment where, in fact, these stones can last for 70 years before they are worn out. If you want to know more about the physics of curling, for example, how these stones move down the ice and what causes the curling in curling, I did a video on the science of sports, which you can check out on my channel. And if you have other things you want to know about, there are other science videos that you can always watch. Anyways, stay curious and I'll see you next time.